All right, so we ran the 440, and I'll have those times posted up. It's kind of hard to tell. Honestly, I almost think the 440 might have it a touch. The 440 is bone stock. 440 has no modifications whatsoever. The limiter caps are removed, so I guess that is a modification, and it's tuned. But other than that, stock exhaust, everything. 462 is M-tronic, but it does have the Egan Performance straight shot muffler cover, so that's a modified muffler. But pretty close, apples to apples. We'll check, let's see what they run on the times. I know that they felt pretty similar there. Ergonomically, like the classic 440 just feels great in your hands. I honestly just replaced it because, you know, in production, you know, a saw starts hemming and hawing, making a hard time, you know, giving you a hiccup here or there. I just bought a new 462 because I needed something that was definitely going to be 100% reliable, and I didn't want to chase a ghost during production at the time. Years ago, the 440 was my first real deal pro saw that I bought. I bought it secondhand from a guy that used it for firewood, which was great because it was in nice condition. So I just thought it might be time to get, you know, another 70cc saw instead of having to revert to the 660 as kind of the backup. So anyway. The carburetor, this is an M-tronic 462, so if I had a carbureted 462, it'd be nice, which they are selling them currently. But yeah, I would go with the 462. I just love it. It's a great saw. The reliability of the 440 though is unparalleled. I mean, this has been great. I've had this 462 for 3 years, so that's been a wonderful chainsaw. And I mean, I've put gas and oil in it, so that's been pretty good. Hey, thanks again for watching. Thanks for the 1,000 subscribers. You guys are awesome. This is so much fun. I love doing chainsaw cutting, tree work, all that, chainsaw modification. So if you guys like that stuff, you're in the right place, and I'll see you on the next one.